Good evening, everyone. I'm Ruchi Gupta, part of the product management team here at Kore. Today in this session, I'll be covering AI for service offering. We'll go through the overview and some recent updates as part of that offering. So this particular slide showcases Kore.ai's product stack. We have three offerings: AI for service, AI for process, and AI for work. For this session, I'll be covering AI for service. The offering sits on our Kore.ai Agent Platform, which is a no-code, pro-code builder capabilities with multi-agent orchestration, AI engineering tools, search AI and data AI, observability, and of course, last but not the least, AI safety, security, compliance, and governance at scale. At the bottom, you see the infrastructure layers. We are model agnostic. We have taken models and fine-tune them for certain specific use cases, but we also allow customers to bring in their model of their choice, whether it's for LLM, Gen AI, or speech models. We're also cloud and infra agnostic. What that means is our offerings can run on-prem or they can run on cloud, whether it's Azure, AWS, or Google Cloud. In terms of integrations, we have hundreds of integrations with data sources and business application. And we have integrated out-of-box integration with a variety of channels, 44 plus channels around messaging, social, chat, email, voice, and web. Now, as we double-click on the AI for service product offering, there are four foundational products within the AI for service product offering. The first is the AI agents. So as the end customers are interacting with an enterprise, a brand, they would interface with the virtual assistant along with the enterprise RAG search as well as speech AI. So that's the first, AI agents. The second one is once the customer has interacted with the virtual agent, AI agent in this case, and if they would like to talk to a human agent, we do offer CCAI, which is our native AI first contact center that comes with routing, experience flow, agent desktop, and other capabilities. Lastly, taking all the goodness of AI and empowering agents with our Agent AI product. And then the last product within the AI for service product offering is Quality AI, which is taken as the conversations are flowing through the enterprise, post-call analysis of all the conversation, whether it's voice and digital, and deriving insights to train agents or even optimize your business workflows. Now, all these products sit on our agent platform that come with all the data connectors I was talking about and search capabilities in the previous slide. Now, before we go in deep into AI for service product capabilities, I thought let's rewind a little bit and look at what really customers value when they interact with a brand or an enterprise. So customer values speed, but they also increasingly want an empathetic interaction with the business, and they want access to 24/7 always on support. So they want to reach out to brands as and when the time permits. So a couple of stats here. Customers value effortless experience. Gartner says about 95% of the customers will do repeat business with you if they experience an effortless service through that brand. Customers also want an omnichannel experience. What that means is they would like to interact with the brand in different channels, whether it's voice, digital, or social. And lastly, they value personalized experience. The end customers would like the brands to recognize them, and so that they do not need to repeat their needs to the brands. On the flip side, let's look at what are the top priorities of the businesses that are providing AI for service offering. So what are the top contact center priorities for businesses? Now, this particular report is a fairly recent one. It's from the CMP research, which came out in January 2025. And they surveyed contact center leaders. And it is an eye chart, so I'm going to summarize this for you in terms of top priorities. The first, no surprise there, businesses are looking to increase self-service adoption. They're looking to embed Gen AI capabilities into their contact center. So that's number one, which aligns with our AI agent product. The second priority is improving the customer analytics and insights. So as the conversations are flowing into the business, how do businesses take that and optimize their front end automation, take the same insights and optimize the coaching for their end agents, and then of course derive customer experience. So that's second. The third is taking all the AI capabilities and empowering their agents. So the in most cases, the easier or the repeatable interactions are being automated with virtual agents. As the conversation lands into a desktop where a human agent is responding to an end customer, those queries are more complex. And that's where they want to elevate their agents into a subject matter expert. So that's the third highest priority. And as we go through this presentation, we'll look at how we are uh, you know creating a product which is really aligning to address these priorities. Let's look at our AI native contact center product. This is an omni-channel product which supports both voice and digital interaction. Within digital, you have social, email, as well as uh, other channels within the digital interaction, web chat. It comes with an experience flow designer, where you can build in the welcome flows, the interaction flows, and the waiting flows and the end flows. This particular product is not only an inbound omni-channel contact center, we also offer outbound campaign and proactive web interaction. So that's available as part of the CCI product. We support ACD, smart routing and queuing as part of the product, and a variety of queuing as well as routing capabilities are supported, such as skill-based, preferred routing, intent-based routing, and bullseye routing. The product also comes with Agent AI, which I'll talk about it a little later in this particular presentation. The desktop itself is omnichannel and it is fully blended, so agents can work both on voice and digital from the same interface. And lastly, contact center is highly metric driven, so we provide an actionable insight, and then quality management is an add-on module into our CCI platform. Let's look at some of the other capabilities. We do support as part of this product co-browse and secure form capabilities. Backend collaboration is supported as well. So agent can consult with another agent or agent can consult with the supervisor at the backend. There are rich supervisory capabilities that are available as part of the product, such as listen, whisper, join, where the supervisor can whisper and coach an agent, or if need be, they can join that conversation as part of a three-party conversation. Supervisor can monitor the agents as well as the queue. There are a variety of alerts available. So as an agent is helping an end customer and they may be helping, they may be interacting on multiple conversations. So a voice call, a couple of chats. We have embedded visual and audio cues for interaction when the agent is working on multiple conversations so that they can respond to the end customer in a timely manner. There are escalations available, so agent can escalate a chat to an audio or video conversation as and when needed. And the desktop itself is highly customizable. So based on the business need, you can customize the look and feel of the agent desktop. Few of the other capabilities that are available. So we offer out of box historical and real time reporting as part of the product, dashboards and wallboards. We also offer APIs in case there is need for custom reporting and further data analysis. Within the product, you can assign business hours for flows and agents. Post-call survey is also part of the platform. So in many cases, in other products, post-call surveys is an add-on or a third-party integration. Post-call surveys in CCI is included. We also have a in-house natively built voice gateway. And what that allows is flexibility in terms of speech AI, that is ASR, TTS, flexibility as well as voice-to-voice streaming. We offer voice biometric and workforce management through a partner offer, but you can purchase it through Core. It is our direct integration with the partner product. With that, we'll move into a demo showcasing our agent desktop and the variety of features within the agent desktop. And then we'll also see some of the supervisory capabilities within the agent desktop.
Let's look at the agent experience on the agent desktop during real-time interactions. The Omnichannel AI-powered agent desktop is highly configurable and designed for efficiency and simplicity. Agents can seamlessly switch between voice, chat, and email interactions, all within a single, unified interface. The AI-generated conversation summaries enable context continuity from the AI agent to the human agent, ensuring seamless agent handoffs and faster response times. The agents have access to call transcripts, recordings, and co-browsing to share and view a customer's web browser session in real time. Everything agents need is right there. Customer information, chat history, previous interactions, all in one place so they can help customers faster. You can also add external widgets so agents can quickly look up information from other systems without having to switch between different applications. Response templates make it easy for agents to send professional, consistent messages while still being able to personalize them when needed. The LLM-based response rephrasing feature allows agents to modify response style on the fly, adapting tone from casual to formal or expanding content for more detailed explanations. Blended agent capabilities enable agents to efficiently manage voice and digital, including chat and email interactions concurrently, maximizing productivity while ensuring no customer inquiry goes unanswered, regardless of their preferred communication channel. When an agent accepts a conversation, Agent AI automatically activates on the right side. It suggests next best actions automatically based on conversation flow, like suggesting greeting or authenticating the customer. It automatically suggests appropriate responses in real time based on the conversation context that agents can personalize before sending to customers. Real-time coaching provides contextual guidance during interactions. The AI-powered search lets agents instantly search across knowledge bases, FAQs, and uploaded documents to find accurate answers without leaving the conversation. Throughout the interaction, sentiment analysis works in the background, tracking the customer's mood and emotions in real time, providing valuable insights into how customers are feeling, helping agents quickly adjust their tone and approach. After the agent ends a conversation summary is automatically generated, capturing key details like customer queries and resolutions. And this summary is instantly pushed into a CRM of your choice, keeping records accurate and up to date with zero manual effort from the agents. Now let's switch to the supervisor experience. The Supervisor desktop gives supervisors the monitoring and intervention tools they need to keep operations running smoothly, with visibility into 4 key areas: queues, agents, interactions, and service levels. The queue dashboard provides actionable insights through live conversation summaries. The supervisors can track how many customers are waiting, monitor which agents are actively helping customers, and watch important metrics like wait times, after-call work, and how many customers are dropping off before getting help. Once a relevant interaction is identified, supervisors can silently monitor calls using the Listen and Whisper feature, gaining real-time insight without alerting either the agent or the customer. When intervention is needed, supervisors can whisper into the conversation, discreetly provide hints, nudges, or coaching to agents during live conversations. If a situation requires more direct involvement, supervisors can seamlessly join the call, transforming it into a 3-way conversation for immediate support and escalation. Additionally, when a conversation needs to be handled by a different agent, supervisors can easily reassign it using the change queue and assign functionalities, ensuring every customer receives the best possible assistance. The agent's dashboard provides supervisors with comprehensive real-time visibility into individual agent performance, displaying current workload distribution, live status updates, and productivity metrics. Through the Interactions dashboard, supervisors can actively oversee every customer conversation, tracking queued requests, monitoring ongoing interactions, and intervening when required. The service levels dashboard empowers supervisors to actively manage performance targets for voice and chat interactions, providing instant visibility into SLA compliance and service quality metrics. Lastly, the platform offers comprehensive reporting and analytics that empower data-driven decision-making. The Analytics module offers a 360-degree view of conversations across all channels, whether voice or digital. The user dashboard highlights metrics on both unique and returning users, giving a clear picture of your customer base. The Queues and Agents dashboard delivers comprehensive historical analytics and trending insights, tracking agent performance metrics and queue operational data over customizable time periods. This enables supervisors to identify performance patterns, seasonal trends, and optimization opportunities for data-driven workforce management decisions.
Before I go into my next segment, I wanted to share we have today uh, various customers who are already using our CCAI product, whether it's banking and financials vertical, healthcare, retail, and they're all. We have a telecom customer, Frontier Communication, they're using our contact center as along with Agent AI. We have Citibank that's using our CCAI product for digital interaction, and then we have Mashreq in Middle East. They are a banking financial services customer. They're using our CCAI. So there are a variety of customers across verticals that are using our contact center AI product. If we look at the AI for service product design spectrum, we are balancing two different types of metrics. And the first one is very business specific with respect to AI for service, which is you need to consider first call resolution, you need to drive containment rate, you want to make sure that your routing accuracy is to the point, and you want to lower the average handle time, and you want to drive sentiment analysis. So those are very specific to AI for service. On the side, you have the AI specific metrics, which is low latency, consistency, and higher accuracy. So we merge these two metrics so that we are deriving the right product for our customers. Example, you want to make sure your responses that are being given to the end customer or to the agents, human agents who are helping the end customers, are highly accurate and they are consistent. For that, we have different guardrails engines. On the low latency side, there is, as the interactions are in real time, as the end customer is communicating to the business, we want to drive low latency. For that, we have different hooks within the platform. One of the hooks here is our ability to integrate with variety of ASR and TTS vendors so that you can provide low latency based on the need of the customer. In the next section, I'll cover Agent AI, which is part of the AI for Service offering. Agent AI, which is taking all the goodness of AI and empowering your human agents, comes with set of features that are already available. So as you kind of turn on the product, these capabilities are already available. The first being the automation, fulfillment-based workflow automation. Second, suggested responses and next actions. So as the interactions are happening between the end customer and the agent, the system, the Agent AI, suggests the next best responses, whether it's a voice interaction or a digital interaction. Third, integrating with our search AI capability so that as the agent, when an agent is helping the end customer, they are prompted with the answers, the relevant answers. But not only that, the system points, the Agent AI product points to the data source where the answer is coming from, so that if the agent needs to refer back, they can quickly do so. Fourth, real-time sentiment analysis. So as the conversation is happening between the end customer and the human agent, the system actually tracks through a graphical interface the sentiment. So the customer may be coming in with a negative sentiment, and as the human agent is helping them, the system actually shows the upward trend with respect to the sentiment, which is color coded. Fifth, real-time coaching available. as the conversation between the end customer and the agent is happening, you can configure real-time coaching based on the customer utterance or the agent utterance, but also speech parameters such as, are there a lot of dead air? Is there a lot of crutch word that agent is using? Or is the customer coming in with a frustrated voice tone? So taking all these consideration, the agent is prompted with hints and nudges. An example could be, and a customer is coming in, they're not happy with the price they have been offered for a particular product. Based on the real-time coaching capability, the agents can be prompted, offer this particular customer a discount. So that's another feature. And the sixth capability here is the real-time playbook and script. Very, very useful for onboarding newer agents, where you can divide the conversation into a start conversation, the body of the conversation, and the end of the conversation. And you could have a playbook which automatically gets triggered and tells agents what to do what to do next. Example: if somebody is calling in to report an accident and file a claim, at the beginning of the conversation, the playbook would say, authenticate the caller, ask them for pictures and other, the policy number. The body of the conversation will go through certain steps so that they can file the claim, and towards the end, empathize with the caller who has come in, and then close the conversation. So that's available as part of the Agent AI product. And then lastly here is the auto summarization for after call work, where after the conversation is completed, the Agent AI product will summarize the conversation and present the summary to an agent, where they can simply click and accept that summary and save it to a CRM of their choice, or they can modify it slightly if need be. Now, as I was covering all these features, we have taken these and we have fine-tuned models that are available out of box. But for a variety of these features, which we also allow our customers to bring a model if they have already, a model of their choice and they're using it for other use cases. So example, we do have customers today who have actually using a variety of these features, but for sentiment analysis, they're using a model which they would, they have an enterprise agreement with a particular vendor such as OpenAI, and same goes with other features like summarization. Now, in addition to that, we also have Agent AI's pre-built widget, which works within our contact center, but it also is available with variety of other CCaaS and CRM and ticketing systems such as Salesforce, ServiceNow, and other CCaaS providers. You can, it's pre-built, it is an out-of-box integration. And we also offer an Agent AI SDK. And what that does is you could take that as SDK and embed all these capabilities of Agent AI within a desktop of your choice, a browser-based desktop of your choice. And you could start small. So you could take that SDK and just start with summarization and then build on the other capabilities. So it gives you a lot of flexibility, and we do have customers who are using our Agent AI SDK as well. Now, one of the new features which we have built within Agent AI as of this summer is turbocharging Agent AI with Agentic Copilot. Now, what that really is taking the capabilities of Agentic Copilot and empowering agents where they actually are now elevated to a supervisory role. So the Agentic Copilot responds directly to the end customers. The human agent is still in supervisory and full control mode. If they need to override a response, they can do so. But if the responses are accurate, they can let it just go from the Agentic Copilot to the end customer. So they not only are able to have a many more conversations here, but their role becomes a supervisory role. The next product I'll be talking about is our outbound campaigns and proactive web chat. So this is a product it is a part of CCAI, Contact Center AI module. So if you have enterprise licensing on CCI, you get this particular capability out of box. We support there are two elements of this. One is the proactive web engagement. So if a customer is on your website and based on certain rules, if they are, a particular page, or if they have been on a particular page which has a high value product, you can showcase, you can, offer them a proactive web engagement so that they connect with the enterprise and converse with you, or, complete a transaction. And the second one is outbound campaigns and dial. Now, within the outbound campaign and dialer, we support both voice as well as SMS. In terms of dialing, dialers, we support agentless, progressive, and preview. And the two new dialing methods, power and predictive, are in our roadmap. In the next 6 months, we'll be offering those as well. And in terms of use cases, we have customers who are using this product already, in terms of debt collection, lead generation, renewal, upselling, appointment reminders. Those are some of the typical use cases. So this is, again, it's a module within our contact center AI product offering. Which was a slide I spoke about. We do have a natively built voice gateway that directly integrates with leading ASR and DTS vendors. So some of them are listed here: Google, AWS, Azure, DeepGram, OpenAI, 11 Labs, and variety of others. And then we also integrate, our voice gateway integrates with the LLM providers for voice-to-voice streaming as well. This gives our customers a lot of flexibility. So as we talked about, we want to make sure the interaction within the AI for service is, it's real time. There is zero lag in it, as much as human-like as possible. So this particular capability really enables that. We have customers in South Africa, with customers in Middle East, where they want to have their virtual assistant available in a particular language, but not only a particular language, in a particular dialect with a particular tonality to it, right? So with these options, our customers are able to configure that. We do support voice-to-voice streaming or with our voice gateway. And what that does is it eliminates the need of the ASR TTS, where the voice streams are directly streaming to a multimodal LLM, and the response is also streamed back through our voice gateway. We've already integrated with our OpenAI real-time APIs, as well as Gemini and other multimodal LLMs. What this does is, it reduces latency, also enables in support of multilingual interfaces, right? So multi-language support is also enabled here. Now, this is a very interesting use case where within our CCI or AI for service offering, we support a multimodal customer experience use case, which is highly innovative, wherein we support use cases where customers can come in on voice channel, and they can be on a non-English language. So let's say they're coming in Spanish or German, and they are on a voice channel. On the other side, within the enterprise, you have agents who are English-only agent, and they're digital, they're on chat. And we can support this use case. So we all know that, to have a voice agents, it's about 3 to 4 times more expensive than to have a digital agent service. And then it's also becomes pretty cost prohibitive to have agents, be there who can speak in different languages, right? So you can still have a digital agent. They only speak English, but you can service customers who may be reaching out to your brand or your business on different languages through voice channel. And I'm going to show a use case here. I'm going to show a demo on this case. In this particular case, what you see, a customer is coming in to activate their credit card, and they're coming in on voice channel, and they're speaking in German. On the other end, on the enterprise side, you would have a human agent who is on chat, and they are they're typing in English, and we are able to facilitate this conversation in real time for the end customer. It is as if they're talking to an agent on the other side who is speaking in German in voice, but the other side, the agent is on chat and is typing in English. So we'll play the video here.
Hallo, wie kann ich Ihnen helfen? Thank you for waiting. You are now connected with Kore.ai.
Hallo, ich habe gerade meine neue Kreditkarte erhalten und würde sie gerne aktivieren.
Helfe Ihnen gerne dabei. Könnten Sie bitte die letzten 4 Ziffern Ihrer Kreditkartennummer angeben?
Ja, die letzten 4 Ziffern sind 4729.
Vielen Dank. Darf ich zur Überprüfung Ihr Geburtsdatum bestätigen?
Mein Geburtsdatum ist der 10. Mai 1988.
Es tut mir leid, aber das von Ihnen angegebene Datum stimmt nicht mit unseren Aufzeichnungen überein. Könnten Sie es bitte noch einmal überprüfen und es erneut versuchen?
Oh, entschuldigen Sie, es war der 12. Mai 1988.
Vielen Dank für Ihre Bestätigung. Das entspricht unseren Rekorden. Könnten Sie für eine zusätzliche Überprüfung bitte Ihre Postleitzahl angeben?
Die Postleitzahl ist 80313.
Das stimmt nicht mit der Adresse überein, die wir gespeichert haben. Könnten Sie noch einmal nachsehen?
Ach ja, richtig, es war 80331.
Perfekt, jetzt sind Ihre Informationen verifiziert. Ich aktiviere Ihre Karte sofort.
Vielen Dank und sorry, dass ich ein bisschen durcheinander war.
Keine Sorge, das ist völlig in Ordnung, es passiert die ganze Zeit. Ihre Kreditkarte wurde nun erfolgreich aktiviert.
Super, Dankeschön.
Bitte, Sie können Ihre Karte sofort verwenden. Möchten Sie auch, dass ich Sie bei der Einrichtung von Mobile Banking beleite, um die Verwaltung zu vereinfachen?
Ja, das wäre sehr hilfreich.
Großartig. Sie können unsere Mobile App aus Ihrem App Store herunterladen, sich mit Ihrer Kundennummer anmelden und Ihre Karte sicher verwalten. Wenn Sie weitere Unterstützung benötigen, steht Ihnen unsere Hotline 24/7 zur Verfügung.
Alles klar, vielen Dank für Ihre Unterstützung.
Es ist mir ein Vergnügen. Einen schönen Tag noch.
Today, we have customers in healthcare, in telecom space that are using this multimodal customer experience use case. The section, which is the last section as part of AI for Service, I'm going to be briefly covering our Quality AI product. Our Quality AI product is a post-call conversation intelligence auto QA product, and there are 3 foundational pillars with respect to this product. The first one is auto QA, so being able to evaluate 100% of your interaction, whether it's voice or digital. Most businesses today evaluate about 4 to 8% of their conversation because it's cost prohibitive, it is prone to error, and it is time consuming based on the tools available today. So with Quality AI, you can evaluate 100% of your interaction. So that's the first pillar. The second pillar is offering an out-of-box conversation intelligence dashboard, which monitors your contact center key KPIs, sentiment monitoring, intent and topic detection. And the third last but not least, is the agent performance development. So as the conversations are flowing through, and you are deriving the conversation intelligence. You're evaluating 100% of your interaction. You can take the insights and develop precise and personalized coaching for your agents, but not stop at that. There is mechanism to have a 360-degree feedback where supervisor can then go and monitor have the agents really completed their coaching assignments and what's the performance improvement. So that 360-degree feedback is available as part of the quality ad products. Let's quickly look at the conversation intelligence dashboard. The conversation intelligence dashboard reveals critical insights into your contact center performance across three categories. The three E's I call: contact center efficiency, so average speed to answer, abandonment rate, transfer rate; agent efficacy metrics, adherence score, crutchword, empathy score; and lastly, customer experience metrics, topic and intent mining, sentiment monitoring. So this is an out-of-box dashboard that is available to the businesses as part of the Quality AI product. Fairly recently, we have also, this is in beta right now, and it's going to go GA in 2 months. It's the Agentic Auto QA as part of Quality AI. So the way it works is with our agentic platform, we have a set of agents which can monitor any missed cross-selling or opportunity and then follow it through with an action. So the typical use cases, as you're doing post-call analysis, the reasoning agent can analyze if there were any missed cross-sell opportunities. Once it analyzes those interactions, it's going to work with the knowledge agent, which is going to fetch more information about the particular interaction or the particular user where the missed cross-sell opportunity was detected. And then it's going to trigger through an orchestrator a task agent, which is going to proactively reach out to those contexts and remedy this missed cross-sell opportunity. So this is one of the use case. This is in beta right now. We're working with the financial services customer on this. And there are several other use cases here. So the whole idea is with the agentic platform, with the tool calling, short-term and long-term memory, we can orchestrate a set of agents which work with an orchestrator to derive an end-to-end workflow for the businesses. And it's highly configurable based on your use cases. So lastly, I'd like to call upon some of the key differentiation for AI for service offering. Our no-code platform, Core's ability to deploy on both on-prem as well as cloud and give you a choice of platforms in terms of cloud. Our ability to, offer pre-built fine-tuned models, but allow our customers to bring in the model of their choice. A pre-built integration library and marketplace across integration with enterprise systems and data sources. Observability and insights, so 360 view of your AI applications. Modular solution where you can start with one or two of the products within the offering AI for service. So you can start with AI agents and then grow your capabilities, or you can start with all the capabilities within AI for service. So modular approach. And lastly, most importantly, enterprise security, compliance, and governance, which are pre-built into the platform. Thank you so much.